Here I have Nokia 7.1 and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here pick the first network and internet key. Now go to hotspot and tethering. And here select Wi-Fi hotspot. Now you can simply activate the Wi-Fi hotspot by tapping on the switcher. Since now your Wi-Fi hotspot is on. You can also personalize it, so you can change your network name by tapping here and entering a new one. Tap OK once the changes are made. And you can also update your password. Just enter a new one instead of the current one and tap OK. If you would like to turn off your hotspot, just tap on the same switcher. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.